This video introduces an amazing natural supplement for a non-cancerous prostate enlargement. The link to get this product is included in the description below. But first, let's review the science behind this very promising natural supplement. Benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, is a very common condition that affects men as they age. About 50% of men between the ages of 51 and 60 have BPH, and this prevalence increases with age, jumping to 70% among men aged 60 to 69, and around 80% of men over 70 years of age. It's the most common prostate problem from men older than age 50. Globally, there were 94 million prevalent cases of BPH in 2019 alone. BPH is generally well believed to result from a chronic inflammation of the prostate gland. In general, most bodily inflammation is caused by 1. Autoimmune conditions, 2. Environmental or dietary toxins, and 3. Untreated acute infections, which may lead to chronic inflammation. The science behind this product is found in the realization that the prostates of BPH victims are chronically inflamed from an unrecognized and untreated fungal infection. Fungal prostatitis. The moist and worn environment of the urinary tract creates a predilection for molds and fungus to thrive and later cause an infection. This infection spreads and later also involves the prostate. This chronic prostatic infection and inflammation not only causes the prostate to swell and enlarge, but is also responsible for feelings of fatigue, tiredness, low energy, poor erection, and hair loss in men. Victims of this condition will begin to complain of symptoms like poor urine flows, frequent urination especially at nights, and the inability to hold their urine, a condition known as urgency. This Flow Force Max supplement contains a proprietary brand of natural herbs and supplements that can clear this infecting fungus and molds from the urinary tract and prostate. Once this chronic inflammation is resolved, the prostate will not only shrink in size, resulting in amazing urinary flows, but also sufferers will experience a surge in energy levels, libido, and once again have rock-hard erections. This is an alternative treatment for BPH, low libido, erectile dysfunction issues, and general fatigue. Before considering surgery for BPH, Dr. Greene strongly recommends giving this supplement the opportunity to prove its worth. Dr. Greene also notes that a chronically inflamed prostate has a much higher risk of transitioning to prostate cancer. This provides a strong reason for the need to treat this chronic inflammation before it's too late. Again, like this video and subscribe to our channel to continue getting excellent healthcare education, tips, and recommendations. Wishing you all a healthy and rewarding day. Stay healthy, stay strong.